Day 2 of my Colorado road trip, and I'm starting at the Black Canyon of the Gunnison. Be sure to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. It's free and an easy way to support me on my big adventure. I just talked to a ranger and got my map. I'm headed to Warner Point. Apparently, it's just a mile hike, and you can see the mountains to the east and the canyon to the west. She said it's 2,300 feet above the river, which is awesome. And then I'm going to work my way back through the painted wall and all of those viewpoints. She mentioned that the trail will get busy as the day gets on. Plus, there could be storms and it will get hot. So I'm headed there first. I expect everyone else will stop along the viewpoints on the way there. And then I'm going to stop at the viewpoints on the way back, hopefully bypassing all of them. Since all their facilities aren't open, I actually didn't have to pay the entrance fee, so that's a really great way to start the day. That's the ridge we walked on to get here. I think we can see our cars in the distance. Made it to Warren's Point. I'm happy she could share it with us. It's amazing. You can see the river down at the bottom, and then to have the mountains in the distance is just crazy. It's about a half mile here up and down. I would recommend bringing your day pack for sure. Lots of water. It's 10 o'clock and it's already very hot. Crazy to think how long it took this river to carve this canyon. Oh, but there's more to see. We gotta go. That's a piña pine. The markers along the way correlate to the nature book, and they point out piña pines and juniper trees. So that way you can see the two unique trees that they have along this trail. It's really it's even what the park ranger pointed out to me earlier. As I mentioned, I was from the Midwest, and so she mentioned those two trees because they're not ones that I'm familiar with. So piña pines and juniper trees. That was a piña. Let me find a juniper so you can see it. This one is a juniper tree. How pretty is that? It's a nice thing to have the nature walk. It's also a good way on the way up or the way down to take a break and learn something new. This is crazy. Huh, who knew? This is called Dragon Point because the rocks look like a dragon, and how cool is that? They really do. I'm impressed. I thought it would be a bigger stretch to know that it looked like a dragon, but there it is. Apparently, let me try and explain this. The secondary rock color formed from magma rising up in the earth and then cooling within the other rock. So as the river carved it down, it exposed both layers of rock. Dragon Point is my last stop here at the national park. I am headed south, so we have the $1 Million Highway coming up from Ouray to Silverton, and then tomorrow you'll have to check back because I'm going to Canyon of the Ancients, another place in southwest Colorado that I didn't see a lot of research about, so I'm really excited. I need to go get more water, grab something to eat, and head south. There's thunder in the distance, so I'm gonna get back to the car. I hope you enjoyed this part. I really liked it. I think everybody should come here. It's something you should definitely do in the morning, but pack lunch. I would love right now to have a sandwich and a drink and just hang out for a little longer if it wasn't storming. There's a bug. Okay, we are running. We're up too high. We gotta go. Oh, I tripped.